everyone, this is Angela from Antoinette Plans, and today I'll be doing a plan with me for the week of 6th to 12th June. So this week I'll be using a kit from Planning World, and I absolutely love all the designs. It's always pastel colored, a lot of pinks and light blue, light green, light yellow. The color scheme is just amazing, and their kits are foiled all the time. So this particular one is just so pretty. There's the nature garden and the roses, the flowers, everything is just so beautiful. Yep, and I wanted to use this because it just fits so well with the pastel colors of my tumble brush pens. Well, I'm not sure I use that much of my brush pens, but it's just something great to have that choice. And yeah, so like the previous week, I wrote down all the items that I wanted to track into those full blank boxes. Well, this kit didn't have any checklist boxes, so I used those full blank boxes instead. Now the problem with this kit is the material of the stickers is so sturdy that I couldn't tear it with the ruler even. So I had to mark it and then cut it with a pen knife or with the scissors. But that wasn't a huge issue. I did it just fine, and everything was great in that column on the left. Yep. So again, with this kit, I used the two same rolls of washi tapes. So what I have here is again that washi tape with the girl with daily life and daily happenings, and this one she's just lying on her bed and just chilling, and the other roll is again that vintagey vibes. Well, now that I look at it, I realize it's not exactly vintagey, but the color scheme and everything is just those kind of colors that you see in the olden kind of era, and I have no idea how to describe it, but you know what I mean. But I absolutely love those kind of illustrations as well, so I keep using the same roll of washi tape over and over. I feel like these two sets of washi tapes are just going to be used up by the end of the year. Okay, on the Tuesday, again, it's a pretty busy day. What I'm trying to do this week is get all of my work done and kind of just make sure I can get all of next week's work done as well, so I can comfortably go on a holiday in the next week. Now the thing is, my Korea trip starts on the 12th of June and ends on the 19th of June, and throughout that whole week I feel like there's so much going on at my workplace, and I feel like this is such a crucial week that going on a holiday in this kind of timing is just not that great. But I have to accommodate my sister's timing because this is the only time where she can get any amount of days off, and we just all have to follow her schedule. She's a teacher and everything just relies on school holidays and stuff. So yeah, apparently it's really difficult to catch up if she misses any lessons as well. So yeah, I feel like if I ever have a vacation where she's not coming along, I just want to go on a vacation where it's not winter or summer, because the holidays are usually during these two periods. I want to go on a spring or an autumn trip, which I have not experienced until now. My whole almost 30 years of life has not seen a spring day or an autumn day. and I really want to experience it at least once. So yeah, my goal for the next 5 years or so is to go overseas and see this kind of scenery that only appears during April, March, or like August or September. Yeah. Okay, so that was Wednesday done. The week went on as fast as this video I assure you. It was so busy, I didn't have time to do any of my personal things at all, that everything just went by really quickly. By the time I'm done with work, I went home, I did like a couple of things, and every other time that I have left is spent on packing the luggage. So I'm leaving on the 12th of June, which is Sunday, and Saturday I have work, so that means I wouldn't have time to actually pack everything. But Saturday I also have to do some laundry and just get ready for leaving the house for a week. And so every packing that I need to do have to be done by Friday. So I've been taking like clothes out of my wardrobe and just random things that I need to take from different parts of my room. To organize is also a problem because I know where things are, but they're hard to reach. I have these shelves that go up all the way to the ceiling, and I'm just too short to ever be able to reach there. And the boxes that I keep things in are so heavy, and they're on the top shelf. It just feels so dangerous just to get them down. And yeah, it was a process trying to pack the luggage to go to Korea. I also had to think about having enough space to come back to Singapore in with all my shopping. So I wanted to pack a larger luggage, but my mom is like, no, we have an extra luggage. We are going to pack a medium one into a large one, and we are going to bring it there like it's just one, but we are going to come back with two. So that big luggage is for all of our shopping, so it should be enough. So I'm like, yeah, okay, that's what I'm going to do, and that's what we did. So I brought my really cheap Thailand bought rose gold luggage, which didn't have a zip, by the way, and it is slightly dented at the side, and I worry that it's gonna fall apart on the way to Korea or on the way back, and I feel like it's still usable, so I'm just gonna use it anyway. Yep. Okay, so right now I'm planning my Friday, and if you can see, I have a couple of programs in the morning, and that's it, because I need the time to put everything in the luggage. So when I said I put everything out from all parts of my room, I meant I put them on the sofa, on the desk, on my chair, and basically I have no space to do any work at all on Thursday night. And Friday is the day that I will put everything in. And I was debating with myself if I should bring any of my planning stuff. Do I want to film a video in a hotel room? Will I have time to do it? Also, do I need to bring a book to read? Do I need to bring my devices, my MacBook, my iPad? Do I need more entertainment than the hotel has to offer? Should I bring my Nintendo Switch? That's a really difficult question to answer. I didn't in the end, but I was really considering it. Yeah, so that was Friday. The whole debate for the whole week has been the same throughout. And finally, it's Saturday, and Saturday is the day. Saturday is the day where I had to do this couple of programs in the morning, and then I only have a few hours to catch up my sleep because we have an overnight flight and it's on the night of Saturday. Actually, it's in the morning of Sunday, but you can call it the night of Saturday because we have to travel to the airport at night anyway, so it makes no difference. And the thing is, I have this problem. I cannot sleep on the plane. I literally try so hard to sleep and I just can't. It just keeps me awake. The plane, the passengers all around me, and everything is just so difficult to help me fall asleep. It's very depressing. And I just know that I'll be a zombie on the other side when we land, and I didn't want that. I want to be able to enjoy the day and go around, go shopping, have fun, but I just know that it's gonna be a hectic day. Yep, and I won't be journaling on these 2 pages because I filmed this video on Friday night because I'll be going off on Saturday night. So yeah, that's the end of the week. I hope you like this video and this plan with me, along with my kind of Korea trip rant, packing rant. And if you like this kind of videos, again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!